fucking locked out.
Alright guys, so got Lucio under the car. I'll be installing a DSS half shaft. I think mine is actually on its way out just because I'm feeling a lot of vibration after launching the car. And the only stress point I would think would be the factory two-piece that we have. So yeah, we're gonna get that out of the way. And hopefully we can finish up pretty soon because we have a race set up with a GT500 for a roll race. So I really want that to happen. So hopefully we'll be done within an hour or two. But we'll see. Exhaust is off, guys. Up next, just drag it out and then switch out the drive shaft right away. Hopefully we don't get any vibration with the new drive shaft. I know some people have some issues with that, but we'll see. Out of breath because it's fucking cold, but I'll catch you guys in a bit. Fun little fact, guys, you can tow your whole cap back with a jack. Really simple. We just learned that. But we got the two-piece out of the way. As you can see, that's the weak link when it comes to one of these cars when you're drag racing. So you really want to upgrade to a one-piece. I'm out of breath, so but we're almost done. We're gonna go strap this on right now. Transfer the balancer, I believe, and we should be finishing up pretty soon. But I don't think we're gonna make it enough time to race the GT500, but we'll see. But we'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we might have found the issue of what's causing the vibration. Those are not straight whatsoever. They are crooked. And yeah, those are not straight. But that may be the reason for the vibration. So hopefully with the new bolts that doesn't happen. They look a lot stronger. So we'll see. What? Woo! So we're basically done. We're just doing a differential oil change, or differential fluid change. But we got the drive shaft over there. You can see it. It's all set in stone. We just need to put the exhaust back on, but might as well, since we're down here and we have the space, we're gonna change out the differential oil fluid. Same shit. But yeah, we're just waiting for it to finish leaking. Hi. Can't see him because he's dark, but.
Nag-i-oil.
You're supposed to change this a lot sooner than what I did. I never changed it, but we are now, and we're putting some AMS oil in because it's the best. And if my camera would focus on it. Nope, not focus. Oh, there you go. Alright guys, so the diff fluid's changed. Now it's time to roll back the exhaust under the car. Magically, the exhaust by itself came out like this, so it's gonna be pretty easy to push it back in. I'm pushing it with my nub, so I don't have that much strength. But yeah, pretty easy. Just do this and we're good to go.
Buy that polarizer too.
And I got an OEM clip, but I was trying to
Honestly, just focus on
I like the Supra.
down even better.
Look at that Supra.
together. I know.
Dude, that color looks sick. Look with the polarizer.
And then put even darker, just a little bit darker.
Oh, I have it on auto right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for video. It's recording.
Oh, my fault.
Mr. Hershey's on his way out. Alright guys, so we'll be racing the GT500 today, so at least I'll get some content for you guys. Just came out to this little car meet. It's nothing that impressive, but yeah, we'll be racing the GT500 today, a little bit later on in the day. Just waiting for it to be 4 o'clock so that way we can meet up. But pretty sure the car's ready, so we'll see what happens with the new drive shaft and everything. Car's running a lot better. Still have that vibration issue in the front though, but shouldn't really affect us that much. And my camera's really dark. Hold on. There we go. Alright guys, so that race with that GT500 is about to go down right now. I'm going to be strapping up on the GoPro so that way you guys could get a better point of view and everything, because I know the camera's not the best when it comes to racing. So we're going to get a good POV. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully nothing breaks. That's my main concern, is something breaking, but we'll see. He's parked right over there in the corner. We're going to go meet up, talk real quick, see what we're going to do. But of course we're going to drive down to Mexico, and then see what happens from there. But I'll catch you guys in a second once we do all the negotiations and stuff like that. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're going to be racing from a 50 roll, more or less. That way I can get traction. His car is definitely going to be under... I don't even know what I'm saying, but at a disadvantage. There we go. I was gonna say under advantage for some reason, but at a disadvantage because he only made around 702. My car obviously makes over 100 horsepower more, and his car weighs more, so he is at a disadvantage. But he does have that killer 7-speed. So yeah, but we'll see what happens right now. I mean, anything could happen, especially with those cars are being crazy fast and eating up anything. But we'll see. I need more space because I don't feel like that's enough space to stop. So on the third honk? Yeah, third honk. Holy shit, that was bad. You want to do another one? Yeah, I shifted up. I had traction on. Yeah? Yeah. Nah, I had traction on too. I thought the car fell on its face. Turn everything on, man. Let's go. Did you get it good on the video?
Yeah, I'm sure I did.
Make sure, don't forget to zoom in too.
Yeah, I zoomed into it. That way.
I thought I got a flat tire, but it was that lady's car going like hissing.
You want to do a 40?
Is my car smoking? I feel like it's smoking right there. Is it? Hey, is my car smoking right here? Huh? Is it smoking? Oh. My car? No. No? Okay. Fuck that. I don't trust myself. Woo. So it's got 2 rolls done. This thing looks freaking gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna get one more roll in. Oh no, and then that's about it. We had a little scare. My car was smoking from the bottom, but it's just I have a small oil leak on the car, and it's falling to my exhaust, so it's causing it to smoke. But it was just a small little scare. Nothing too serious. But I guess the Coyote's 2-0. I mean, the first race he upshifted, so that's why my car pulled so hard right in the beginning. Second race I spun in second, but I kept it up in the front. He was literally at my door. From what the videos looks like, I'm gonna see if he'll send me over his video, because his video is a little bit more clear. But he was like right at my door, but we were up ahead by half a car. But the thing is, that car makes 702 to the wheels, and well, I mean, it's heavier and it's at a disadvantage, but it kept up. That's the thing that it kept up with. I feel like if I didn't spin, I'll be out a little bit more. It's just second gear spun right there, and that road's not really that long to keep going, so we're actually gonna go hit a longer road right now, see if we can get a better.